all the Indians across the world. Thank you so much for your love and support. I'm very, very, very humbled, and I like to thank all my fans for their immense love and support. Thank you. I'm safe. Nothing to worry. I'm doing well. Thank you very much. And I also like to tell that I'm a law-abiding citizen. I respect the law, and I will cooperate with them, and I'll do the needful. And very importantly, I would like to give my condolences once again to the family. It is very, very unfortunate that we went to watch a film and there was an accident, that is totally unintentional. We went to watch a movie and, due to an unfortunate accident, there's been a loss of a person. And we're always very sorry for whatever's genuinely happened. And it's purely out of my personal control. And I've been doing that for the last 20 years. Last 20 years I've been going to watch my films, and I've been to that place not just only for my film, for my uncle's films. I've been there more than 30 times in my life. And never something like this has ever happened. It is purely accidental, purely unfortunate. And I will be there for the family to support them in whatever way I can. We can never cover the loss of the death of a person, but in whatever possible way, I will be there for the family to support them. And once again, I like to thank each and every one of you from all over. बहुत शुक्रिया सबके लिए अंदर के प्रति ఒక్కరికి చూసే ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Your family also emotional as well. What do you have to say to the judicial system? Do you think laws make sense?
Sir, do you think government is behind this?
Thank you. No, nothing.
Mr. Revanth,
I like to thank everybody. I'd like to thank everybody for their love and support. Thank you.
మీ అరెస్ట్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు? అల్లు అర్జున్ గారు మీ అరెస్ట్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు?
No, when the law is when the law is taking care of itself, then I should not indulge with the case and hamper the case. Then దాని గురించి అసలు ఏం మాట్లాడను. From a legal standpoint, నేను దాని గురించి ఏం మాట్లాడను. Thank you very much. Thank you for all your love and support.
Do you believe justice will prevail? Do you believe justice and law will take its course?
Yes, I believe in this law. I believe the law.
ఇంటి నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోయేటప్పుడు కూడా మీ తండ్రి గారికి భరోసా చెప్తూ వెళ్ళారు. అంటే ఈ వయసులోనే మీ తండ్రి గారు ఎంతో అల్లారు బుద్ధిగా పెంచుకున్నటువంటి మీరు
definitely it's a very challenging situation for the family. It's a very challenging situation for the family. And Ante, I just thank you for all your love and prayers for everybody, from all the fans across and for all the people across. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you for all your love and support. ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ధన్యవాదాలు. Thank you for each and everyone across all over. Thank you for your love. I'm here today like this because of your love. Thank you.
సపోర్ట్ చేసిన అభిమానులకు కానీ
Of course, I love my fans. Everybody knows that I love my fans.
నిన్నటి వరకు ఇండస్ట్రీ కూడా
Thank you.
Arjun there speaking for the first time on the incident. Post his release from jail, getting that interim breather from the High Court, saying that I'm a law-abiding citizen. I respect the law. It was an unfortunate accident purely out of my personal control. He says that never something like this has happened before, and it was out of his control. And he says that in every possible way, he will support the family. Unfortunately, there has been a death that has been reported as his premiere, the screening of the movie, the latest movie Pushpa 2, that was released at the Sandhya Theatre, and he's been thanking the fans for their love and support and for their prayers. So speaking for the first time, Sumit, as he has called it as an unfortunate accident, and also saying that he is a law-abiding citizen and he respects the law.